students, how are you? Now next topic after exercise 12.1 is areas of sector and segment of a circle. First we will concentrate on these two words, sector and segment. See student, sector is the region between radii and this one arc of the circle. This one area, shaded area, is area of sector. This one minor sector, this one area major sector. Major sector. Now what is segment? Student, segment is this one, area lie between arc and this one chord of the circle. This one area, this one segment area. This one is minor segment, this one is, remaining one is major segment. Major segment. Now formulas based on these. First one is area of sector. Area of sector formula theta by 360 degree into pi r square. Theta means whatever angle they have given. Suppose one example I am giving, this one is theta. If this one is 60 degree, put here 60 degree. R tends to radius. Radius is 3 here you can put. Pi value up to you. If they have not given any value, so you can put 22 by 7. If 3.14 given, then you can put 3.14. Second formula is length of arc. Length of arc is theta by 360 degree into 2 pi r. Length of arc means student this one length how much? This one formula of circumference. So theta by 360 into circumference, length of arc. This one area of circle formula pi r square. Theta by 360 into pi r square, area of sector. Now third one is area of segment. Area of segment is what? See student, this one a sector and this one is segment. This one is segment. So area of segment is what? Area of sector minus area of triangle. This one triangle. सेक्टर के एरिया में से अगर ट्राइंगल का एरिया निकल जाएगा तो एरिया ऑफ सेगमेंट. दिस वन. नाउ बेटा एक्सरसाइज 12.2 क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. फाइंड द एरिया ऑफ ए सेक्टर ऑफ ए सर्कल विद रेडियस 6 सेंटीमीटर एंड एंगल ऑफ सेक्टर इज 60 डिग्री. सो रेडियस इज गिवन 6 centimeter and theta is given 60 degree. So you can start with, we know that area of sector equal to theta by 360 degree into pi r square. Therefore area of sector theta 60 360. Pi value not given, then 22 by 7 you will take, into 6 by 1. 66 6 cancel with 6. 132. 22 6 132 by 7 centimeter square is your answer. Now question number 2. Find the area of the quadrant of a circle whose circumference is 22 centimeter. Point to be noted, student. Quadrant means theta is 90 degree. Quadrant means 1/4 of the circle. Total is 360. Total angle 360. 1/4 means theta is 90 degree. So you can start with theta equal to 90 degree. After this, circumference given. Circumference 22 centimeter. Circumference means 2 pi r 22. 2 into 22 by 7 into r 22. R 22 into 7. 2 into 22. 22 cancel with 22. 7 by 2 centimeter. Area formula you know, theta by 360 into pi r square. Therefore area, required area, theta 90 degree, 360 degree, pi 22 by 7 into 7 by 2 into 7 by 2. 94 ja 7 cancel with 7. 2 11 ja 11 7 ja 77 upon 8 centimeter square. If you can write this one in decimal, so write in decimal. This is your answer.